Hi guys, it's me. It's Natalie. Welcome to my channel. Oh my god, people now, like when they see me in public, they make fun of that. They're like, hi, it's Natalie. Welcome to my channel. It's so embarrassing. What's up? How's everyone doing? I literally am so stressed that it's just funny at this point. Like how ridiculous my life is. I guess that's what it is. So I was like, what should I film today? Because I really have to slow up buying products. So yeah, I'm gonna have to do like chit chatties and tutorials for like a month because this move is crazy. I close on the 19th of October, so I will be moving into my new house then, just waiting on the actual closing date. So that's super exciting. I'm stressed, just worried about, you know, paying for everything and just a lot. But anyway, so what should we talk about today? I want to talk about a topic that I have sat down to film this a couple times in the past like 2 months, and every time I start it just like is like throw up. Like I can't get my words out right and I just nix the video. And I'm like, you know what? Because I was just feeling indecisive. I'm like, today is the perfect day to touch on this topic. I just kind of want your opinions on it. I kind of just want to do like a free-for-all here. You guys tell me how you feel about it, because I know I can't be the only one feeling like this. So the beauty community. I feel like when I say that, I don't even have to elaborate. You guys know what I'm talking about. It's just unreal to me what's going on right now. So I'm sure you've noticed, or you've heard me say, I'm in a little bit of a slump right now myself, just getting my content out and filming, and just very, I feel very stressed and in my real life. So then makeup is usually like an outlet for me. Well, lately I just don't even feel like filming, and I think it's because I see all the negativity. Like when I started, or when I got into beauty online, I got into tutorials. I just thought it was so fun. I thought it was so fun to learn the different techniques. Like that was what I loved. And then it just seems like it's progressing. It's like, then it's only reviews. Then it's only like PR. Then it's like you just have to put on this elaborate like life and show your followers. Then it's all the drama. So now it's like, do people watch the beauty gurus, or do they watch more of the drama channels about the beauty gurus? It's like, I just feel like you can't do anything without it being like smeared all over online, worrying if it's gonna come back to you. Like it's absurd. I mean, obviously, yes, there's people that are in the wrong. Like I thought Laura Lee was in the wrong, but it's just so extreme. The drama in general right now in the community is how I feel. So it's like, I was really just sitting back and thinking, and I'm like, is this what I want to do? Like before it was, but is it now? And after thinking that, I came to the conclusion of, yes, this is what I want to do. I love it. I love YouTube. I know that I'm like slacking right now. Will I forever? No, and that's a promise. I love my station. I love what I do. It's gonna grow slowly, and that's okay with me. I love posting my looks. That's my absolute favorite part. I hope that one day I get to a point where I can do more special effects and stuff, just have the time, but it is what I want to do. And I'm kind of thinking like, I'm like, what are your guys' opinion on the beauty community and the shift? Like, where do you think it's going after this? I really feel like there's all like the top dogs in the beauty community, and I feel like they just really like got pummeled recently. Like all of this drama, do you think they're gonna come back for it, or do you think it's time for like some new people to step into the limelight? Like And what happens with that? So when a beauty guru like lives their life and then like their career comes to a, ooh, I don't know what, an end, what happens to that beauty guru? Like, do they have a career? Like, what happens? And that's scary to think of too. But you know what? I don't worry about it because I'm very passionate about this, and I know that I will somehow find a career in makeup throughout my life. Even if I'm not being accepted by others, I will find a way to make this my career. But yeah, I just feel like, back to like what I was saying, I feel like all the drama is really affecting me, just wanting to even be in the community or knowing, like, I just feel like it's really, I feel like all this drama is like taking a toll on me. I don't know, it's like, you know when something's like really depressing and then it kind of like rubs off on you and you don't even realize it's happening? That is how I feel right now. And I want to know if any other creators feel the same way. Like, do you feel like you're kind of like, I don't know what to do, I don't know what's going on, or just like losing a little bit of interest because of all the drama? It's kind of like when you hear something, like your ears perk and you're like, oh, okay, but then after a while it's like, okay, we get it. There's a lot of drama. Are we even here for the makeup anymore? And that's another question I have. Are you guys, who's here for the makeup, who's here for the drama, or are you here for both? Because yeah, I mean, if you're here for both, let me know. Like, I want to know. I want to know what you guys are about, what you like. I want to know. And my station, like, which direction am I going to take with this? I don't know. See, and that's like, that's just me. I'm just so all over the place. And I feel like my station is too, a little bit. I mean, it's about makeup, but it's a little all over the place. But like, that's how it's always gonna be, you know? That's how it's always gonna be. I'm gonna have time to get another video out this weekend. So what should I do? A tutorial, what should I do? I haven't ordered any product. Let me know what I should put out. This look I did with the new ColourPop Good Sport palette. I honestly just used the dark purple, then a little bit of these in the corner, and then Rookie. It was super simple, and I really liked how it turned out. So yeah, there's that. But like, okay, here's an example. I'm so far behind because when the Lara stuff really kicked off, I was kind of just like, I don't even have time for this. So I typed in, what made me kind of think of even doing this video was I saw that there was like Jaclyn Hill drama, but I didn't see what it was. I still don't even know what it is. So you guys have to fill me in on that. So I'm looking, I type in her name, and like her newest, the bridal makeup video comes up. Oh shoot, I didn't mean to click that. Then the next, Tati and Thomas expose Jaclyn Hill. The tea is hot. Next, Jeffree Star ends Jaclyn Hill. The truth about Jaclyn Hill. The beginning. Jaclyn Hill quitting YouTube. Why she deleted her video. Like, Jaclyn Hill loses support from the beauty community. It's just like, is it even about makeup anymore? Is it? Has it gotten that all these people got really big, almost like they went from being makeup gurus, which is not celebrities, to almost celebrities, and then they're all kind of like clawing their way to the top and pushing each other down? Like, I don't know. To me, that's kind of scary, and that's kind of why I also stay in my own lane. I'm like, that's just what I do in life too. And it's kind of what I do on here, because I just see so much like fakeness. Just, I see so many people like supporting causes or talking about this topic and that topic, and in my head I'm always like, wow, they have no darn interest in that whatsoever. They're literally doing it to help gain more of a fan base, and to me that's disgusting. That's disrespectful, and I would rather have you not support something then you only support it because you want to use it to help yourself. Like, to me, that's just so, oh, I don't know. And that's really what it seems to be like online. Yeah, I don't know what I'm talking about. That's really it. So yeah, guys, let me know what your feelings on the beauty community are recently. Here's the question. Do you find yourself, since all the drama has really popped off, I mean, I feel like 2018 is like, whoa, with the drama in the beauty community. And it's getting heavier as the year goes on. Have you noticed that since the drama has started that you are more into the community or you're more removed from the community? And I want honest answers, people, honest answers. That's it. That's all I got for ya. Don't forget to check out my giveaway on my Insta and my looks. Give this video a thumbs up or down. Let me know down below. Drop some comments. Let me know your feelings with the tea on the community. Isn't that how you drink tea? I don't know. So yeah, that's it. All right. I love you guys. Bye.